Welcome to this tutorial on managing your Selldone wallet. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to charge your wallet to pay for Selldone fees, purchase plans, and unlock powerful paid features to enhance your store's performance. Having a fully charged wallet ensures a seamless experience while accessing everything Selldone has to offer. Let's get started. From the main dashboard menu, press Wallet. By default, Selldone creates a unique virtual account in your wallet based on the currency you selected during the sign-up process. All transactions between you and Selldone are managed through these accounts. For example, if you want to charge your account to access advanced AI features, simply come here and top up your account. Click to enter the account. From top menu, press Charge. Enter the amount you want to charge your account with in this field. Please note that if you haven't completed your KYC verification, this field will be grayed out. In that case, go to the main dashboard identity, complete your KYC process, and then contact us for approval. Click on Charge Account. Keep in mind that Stripe is our payment provider. If your card is declined, don't hesitate to contact us for support. And that's it. Now you know how to charge your wallet, pay your Selldone fees, and utilize paid features to unlock your store's full potential. Keeping your wallet topped up ensures uninterrupted access to plans and tools that can help your business grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.